Over the next 2 days, our school campus will be abuzz with excitement and amazement.
That's true. Instead of going to the museum has come to us. Yes, you guessed it right. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalay's Trunk Museum and Museum on Wheels have come to our campus.
We can't wait to explore fascinating exhibits, discover amazing stories from history, art, and culture, and learn in a fun and interactive way. Come along with us on this wonderful journey of discovery. Can you tell us briefly about the concept of Museum on Wheels and what inspired the idea of bringing the museum to schools?
So the concept of Museum on Wheels is initiated by City Bank and the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya. So the basic initiative is to take the museum to the students or the people who cannot come to the museum. So the tagline of the project is, if you can't come to the museum will come to you. So the children who are not able to go to the museum to see the history of the country or the world, they can just have the experience of the museum.
Kindly share what are the themes and how are the objects and activities selected for different age groups.
So the activities are selected based on the syllabus of the students from the various states, and presently we have the themes of Sindhu Saraswati based on Indus Valley civilization, and the networks of the past, India and ancient world and India based on the ancient civilizations of the world.
What do you hope we students will develop through this experience?
Many students are not aware most of the time about the history and the various cultures which have been there for like thousands of years. So with this initiative, we are expecting that the students may not have the full idea, but at least have some of the idea when it comes to history and archaeology.
Which exhibit or activity was your favorite and why?
So I really liked the exhibit about the Egyptian civilization, mainly because it was so interesting how the process of mummification was explained and the various artifacts that were present in the exhibition. I was really curious to know more about how Egyptians believed in the afterlife and what objects they buried with the dead and what their significance was. So I really found that interesting.
The most favorite seal of mine was the Pashupati seal, as it showed the religious beliefs of people of that time.
Oh, I really enjoyed learning about all the Greek gods because it was simply so fascinating to know who the people worshipped so many years ago.
I really like how they showed the caste systems in Mesopotamia, because it really showed how they did their jobs as per their castes. And I really like that it's not used anymore because we have the privilege to do what we want.
The ancient trade and commerce because it tells me about the different coins and the seals that were used by the Harappans and the Mesopotamian civilians.
The architectural sites and the drainage system of the Harappan civilization.
There were many scriptures, maps, and many plottings they had done at that time.
I really like the replica of mummy. I think my favorite part of the museum was the terracotta storage jar because it was just so fascinating looking at its designs, and the designs were the intersecting circles, the peacocks, the vegetations, and it was just so fascinating looking at it. Was there any object or story that surprised you?
I really like the early version of Shatranj. It was called Senet. It was one of the part of Egyptian civilization, which really intrigued me, and I really want to know how to play it.
I was really surprised by the mummification. I really wonder how can they preserve such mummies for thousands of years and they can still be in perfect condition.
I really liked the dancing girl statue.
The checkers board, I found it unique.
In the Egyptian civilization, I really like the concept of Senet.
I like the bearded man very much.
I really like the ancient Egyptians gallery the most because the mummy and other artifacts were very unique. I think the part which surprised me was the shell inlay because they were so cute and I didn't expect them to be the stamps which they put on the potteries, but they were so interesting and I was surprised to look at them.
Can you tell us briefly about the concepts of Trunk Museum and what inspired the idea of bringing museums in schools?
Okay. So basically what we wanted to do was get that piece of history to the school, because you get to see all the objects in photos, through documentaries, through movies, but you don't get access to how these objects actually feel like until you hold them in your hand. So that is why we started this project called Trunk Museum Project.
Kindly share what are the themes and how are the objects and activities selected for different age groups.
Okay, so today we got three different themed trunks. So first for grade 6 we did Harappan civilization trunk. For grade 7 we did Mesopotamia civilization trunk, and for grade 9 we did the Indian miniature painting trunk.
What do you hope these students will develop through this experience?
So firstly is that you get to hold a piece of history in your hand. Secondly, you also appreciate the time and effort that goes into making these objects, because now in modern day it's very easy to replicate these objects because you have so many wide range of materials available. But 2000, 3000, even 5000 years ago, it was all handmade. There was immense time and effort and money, in fact, that went into making these objects. So you understand and appreciate that value of history, and also appreciate human beings a little more.
What an incredible experience it has been! The Trunk Museum and Museum on Wheels showed us that learning can happen anywhere.
A big thank you to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya team for bringing the museum to our school.
And more than that, a big thank you to Chairman Sir and Managing Director Madam for giving us this great opportunity to witness our rich heritage firsthand. On that note, this is Vajay Udantika
and this is Vajay Kashish signing off for
Young Journals on Ryan TV.